Western. In this video, we will provide mulling instructions for our 8000 series hinge doors and windows. Before you begin, please make sure you read the instructional manual thoroughly as it contains important safety and assembly tips. Please note, waterproof in accordance with ALMA Installation Master Standards, flashing and sealant manufacturer instructions, and must meet local building codes. Some steps might require 2 people for assistance. We recommend all Western Window Systems products be installed by experienced professionals. The following tools are recommended for this procedure. The mulling instructions shown on this video are the same for any 8000 series door or window. You can mull together a door to a fixed window to a fixed window, or a door to a casement window. Choose the appropriate configuration as required. Begin by locating the side where you wish to mull together with another door or a window. Next, locate the starting end. The starting end is the end of the unit where the mulling process will begin, as decided by the installer. Lay a bead of sealant in the 2 cavities on either side of the screw boss along the entire mulling jamb. Continue and lay a bead of sealant on each of the smaller top legs of the mull jamb. After the sealing is applied, attach the mull clip with the snapping leg pointed towards the outside edge of the frame. Push the snapping feature into position. Press the flush side of the mull. Clip down so the clip fits flush into the mulling cavity. Continue to press the flush side of the mull. Clip along the entire mull clip until it sits flush along the entire jamb. Repeat the previous steps to the other mulling cavity. Assure you, worry aren't the snapping feature of the mull clipped the other direction. Both snapping features should fall to the outside edges of the frame, while the flush side points towards the thermal. Next, use the same methods in the previous steps to prepare the jamb of the unit that will mold to the first unit. No need to install a mull kit on the second unit. After prepping the jamb, align the 2 units so that the mull faces are close to one another, and gently clamp the interior and exterior of the starting end. Increase the pressure of the clamp on the strong side of the extrusion until the extrusions flush with one another. You should hear an initial snap of the mull clip into place. Increase the pressure of the clamp on the opposite side until we have the starting end flush on both the interior and exterior. If the extrusion is not flushing out properly, the leg might be deflecting into the wrong position. Loosening the clamp and using a tool to push the snapping leg into the extrusion may allow this to come together easier. Continue to move the clamps up until the jambs are fully joined. During more difficult situations, such as fixed sash sets with beveled stops, you may need to remove the glass stops to provide a clamping surface. Using the same alternating clamp technique from the previous steps, zip the opposite side jambs together. Once both sides of the jamb have been fully joined, we recommend keeping a clamp at the top, bottom, and middle of both sides until the silicone cures. The mulling process is now complete. When installing your mold windows or doors, you will need to install the drip cap and mull bridge. First, lay a steady bead of sealant along the entire length of all nail fins on the head. After applying sealant everywhere that will contact the drip cap, place the drip cap on top of the frame and make sure it's flush with the nail fin in the frame. Once the drip cap is in place, apply sealant to the underside as well as both outer edges. Do not install over a mull bridge. Proceed with final waterproofing membrane applied over the nail fin. Ensure a complete seal. Once the drip cap is installed, locate the bottom middle of the assembly. Apply sealant to the bottom of the assembly. There should be a good amount of sealant where the mull bridge is placed for a proper seal. Next, install the mull bridge orient and press the mull bridge into place between and in front of the nail fence. Ensure a complete seal. Congratulations! Mulling of the 8000 series is now complete. Thank you for choosing Western Architectural Openings.